I recently went on a quest to find the best RCA cables for my car audio system. After testing a bunch of options, I found some real gems that can make or break your audio experience. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste money on subpar cables. Let's dive into the top 5. Product number 1. TAN QY2RCA to 2RCA cable 3 feet. The TAN QY2RCA to 2RCA cable really caught my eye when I was upgrading my home theater system. At just 3 feet, it's the perfect length for connecting components without cluttering up your space. What I love most is how durable this cable feels in hand. The PVC jacket not only provides flexibility, but also protects against wear and tear, which is crucial if you're moving things around often. The gold-plated connectors are a game changer, ensuring that I get a clear audio signal without any interference. I plugged it into my HD TV and gaming console, and the sound was vibrant and rich. Everything just felt alive. Plus, the color-coded connectors made connecting everything a breeze, so no more second-guessing which cable goes where. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, this cable is tangle-free, which means you can easily store it without worrying about knots. The price is also a bonus. At just $4.79, it's hard to beat for quality and performance. However, the 3-foot length could be a limitation for some setups, especially if you're trying to connect devices that are farther apart. So why should you buy it? If you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality RCA cable that ensures clear audio transmission, the TAN QY is a solid choice. It's especially great for those who are setting up a compact home theater or need a reliable connection for their gaming consoles. Product number 2. Amazon Basics 2 RCA audio cable, 4 feet. Is the Amazon Basics 2 RCA audio cable. Coming in at 4 feet, this length is perfect for many setups, whether it's for an amplifier or active speakers. I bought this cable primarily for my subwoofer, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. The sound clarity was impressive, and I didn't notice any unwanted noise or feedback, which can ruin your listening experience. The gold-plated connectors are a notable feature. They resist corrosion and deliver a clean audio signal. Since I'm a fan of simplicity, I appreciated the color-coded components. No need to struggle with which cable goes where. On the pros side, this cable is not only affordable at $7.34, but its construction also feels solid. I also love that it eliminates signal loss, which is something I've had issues with in the past. However, some might find the 4-foot length restrictive if they have a larger setup. So why buy this cable? If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills RCA cable that delivers crisp audio for your amplifier or speakers, this should be on your radar. It's a practical choice for anyone wanting to enhance their home entertainment system. Product number 3. Amazon Basics 2 RCA audio cable, 15 feet. Continuing with the Amazon Basics brand, we have the 15-foot version of their RCA audio cable. This was a game changer for me, since I needed to connect my amplifier that was quite far from my speakers. The length allowed me to set things up without any awkward positioning. Just like its shorter counterpart, this cable features gold-plated connectors that ensure a high-quality signal transfer. I noticed minimal signal loss, which is crucial when you're trying to maximize audio fidelity. The pros are clear. The length makes it incredibly versatile, particularly for larger setups. The clear audio quality remains a highlight, and the price at $9.94 is still reasonable for such a reliable product. However, the cable could be a bit bulky for some, and if you're not careful, it might get tangled up if not stored properly. Why buy this cable? If you're in need of a longer RCA cable that doesn't compromise on audio quality, the Amazon Basics 15-foot cable is your best bet. It balances affordability and performance, making it a wise investment for anyone serious about their audio setup. Product number 4. Premium RCA cable 1.5 feet. The Monoprice 1.5-foot premium RCA cable was another product I was excited to try. This compact cable is perfect for those tight spaces where longer cables would just be overkill. The first thing I noticed was its lightweight design, which makes it easy to handle. I used it to connect my laptop to my home theater system, and the sound was pristine. The RG59 coaxial cable construction provided excellent shielding against interference, which is something I always look for in audio cables. On the pros side, the gold-plated connectors ensure a smooth connection without corrosion. Plus, Monoprice offers a lifetime warranty, which is a huge plus in terms of peace of mind. However, the 1.5-foot length could be limiting for setups that require a bit more distance. So, why buy this cable? If you're looking for a reliable, short RCA cable that delivers high-quality audio without breaking the bank, then the Monoprice cable is a fantastic option. It's perfect for anyone who values both convenience and sound quality.
Product number 5, Gearit RCA cable, 15 feet. Let's talk about the Gearit RCA cable, which is another 15-foot option. I was particularly impressed by its universal compatibility. Whether you're connecting to an AV receiver, amplifier, or even your car audio system, this cable can handle it. The professional audio quality was evident as soon as I hooked it up. The sound clarity was top-notch, making it a great choice for audiophiles. Additionally, the heavy-duty metal connectors feel robust and are designed to last. The braided shielding is another win, as it effectively blocks RF and EM interference, ensuring you get crystal-clear audio. On the plus side, the durability and versatility of this cable are standout features. The price of $16.99 is reasonable for the quality you're getting, and it even comes with a lifetime replacement warranty. However, while it's an excellent choice for high-fidelity audio, it might be overkill for casual users who just need something basic. So why buy this cable? If you want a high-quality RCA cable that delivers professional sound quality and is built to last, the Gearit RCA cable is an excellent investment. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their audio setup, whether at home or in the car. In conclusion, whether you're after something short and compact or a longer cable for a bigger setup, these top picks cover a range of needs and budgets. Investing in a quality RCA cable can significantly enhance your audio experience, so choose wisely. Make sure to check out these options and elevate your sound.